Okay, we're making a heat exchanger for a fireplace. We already cut the metal and tacked it together, drilled holes in all the pieces so the air can go through, and we're welding it together today. It's Sunday, it's cold out, but we got to get this done so the fireplace works. So we'll probably speed through most of this, fast forward as I'm welding, because I got a lot of welding to do on this, and we'll go from there. Alright, what happened to the ground?
Uh-oh. Is it working?
Kind of tight quarters here. There's unfortunately all the crazy laws we have to abide by in wonderful DuPage County.
DuPage County, Illinois. You're doing all four sides?
I missed. These are butt welds to make it look pretty, and they're real hard to see because it's dark. So I'll have to grind those off a little bit. Here we go.
So this is the part where you put the wood on.
Yeah, you start your fire and burn your wood here. We're going to put a little plate underneath because when we come in from the fireplace, which we'll show you further on, we're going to have air coming up from underneath to burn the fire because we're going to close the rest of the fireplace, so it actually will make heat. I got to show you the rest of the pieces once we get it in the house and in the fireplace area. But right now we got to weld it all together, and then we have to put the other pieces on it, the legs and the air in and air out tubes that go outside the fireplace so we can blow air in one hole and then it goes across and comes out the other side. Actually, this will be the air inlet and these two sides here are air outlet. But we have to put these pieces on here like this. But we have to make sure it's going to sit level so it doesn't teeter when it's in the fireplace. So that's why we're just doing all the hot welding on the top here to get it all secured together so we can take it in the house and then weld it together in the other pieces, a little bit of welding inside the house. See if I got it or not.
It looks red.
Well, yeah, because it's red hot.
It looks like it's done.
Metal. I'm gonna weld that one now. It's really hard to see because it's dark.
We should get some extra lights in here.
We'll try that. Yeah, it's just a small little crack we're welding over, just to seal it from the air escaping. Got that one.
What else is left to weld? Is there a lot?
Oh, I gotta do all the way around, all through 4 sides of this. I only got 2 sides.
How old is this?
Sides to go.
How old is this piece?
Huh?
How old is this piece?
It's been around for a couple of years. I cut it many years ago. Came up with the idea.
So this was not in the original fireplace. Okay.
I don't understand that.
Was that originally in the fireplace?
No, this
When it was
is, I
first
made
built?
this.
You made this?
I drew this design up and cut this all out when I worked at a place about 5 years ago.
So you made this all by yourself?
Yep.
From scratch?
From scratch.
Wow.
It's made out of 2-inch tubing, 1/4-inch wall.
Is it steel?
And it's steel.
And this is, just as a reminder, this is for an indoor fireplace to heat the house.
We'll show you the pictures of the fireplace as we continue along. We've got to get this configured so we can take this in the house and set it up. We'll show you the other things that we're doing. What we got to do to make this look nice, a good weld, we want to grind these flat a little bit so we can put a nice pretty weld on there, because that's going to kind of show. So we'll have to take this outside there. Make this mess outside.
Oh, there's more light out here for sure.
Well, yeah, but it's windy out here and you can't weld in the wind.
Oh, okay. So that's why you're welding in the garage.
Yep.
Oh, what are you gonna do next?
Well, we gotta grind these edges flat so we got a better weld.
Okay.
As long as I got the grinder going, I might as well clean up some of the other welds that I had to double over on because I missed. Maybe we can get a better light on it and we can do a better job. See how big and flat their area is over the crack? Now we can get a lot better weld.
So what is next?
Oh, we gotta weld those little spots.
Okay. So then the welds will work better on these spots that you ground down, you're saying? Are you going to be welding over here where there's more light?
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
See what the wind does for me.
It doesn't feel too windy now. Okay.
Yeah, but you can feel the breeze once you walk out the door a little bit.
Oh, it's not too bad. I think it will be fine. You need something?
There's always something around this place.